tutorial, I'll show you how to play the Bossa Nova pattern that you just heard in a few easy steps. This video accompanies my article in issue 37 of UKE Magazine, in which I focus on Latin American rhythms. You can grab a copy from worldofukes.co.uk. The rhythmic pattern we're going to play is called Partido Alto and is common in Bossa Nova and samba music. We are going to play the bass part and the harmony part at the same time, so this works best on a low G strung ukulele, but it will still work on a high G uke. Let's look at the chords we'll be using first. C major 7th, and D minor. Notice I use my little finger for the C minor 7th chord so that I can easily move to the D minor chord with my other fingers. This is a 2-bar pattern which we will do for each of the 2 chords, and to start with we'll just play the bass part nice and slow, which is on the 1st and 3rd beats of both bars. We'll now isolate the harmony part and just practice that on its own. Before we move on though, if you'd like to support this video and gain access to interactive tabs and more, please check out my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Mike Haysom. We can now put the 2 parts we just learnt together and play them as one. And now a little faster. We can also play this 2-bar pattern with the bars switched round for each chord. This form is actually pretty common, but it's slightly more difficult to play because it starts on the offbeat. So we start on the and after 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Let me show you. Nice! I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if so, you might like to check out this playlist of some other tutorials I have made. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.